So to start this video, I gotta move my seat forward. Cause I got electric seats, but as you can see, these boys still ain't hooked up. So if I didn't know this, you could just hook it up to your DeWalt or Milwaukee batteries, and then it'll give you 12 volts and you can move it up and forth. So let me do that real quick. All right, so I got my seat moved forward. Now I gotta take out my sub. It's crazy easy. I just gotta remember which one's positive, which one's negative. So negative has the writing on it, so just push down. Mine's not bolted out or anything, so I gotta just take it out. So this is everything I'm gonna be using today. Just a impact drill to take out these Phillips head screws, a T50 Torx bit, and a flathead screwdriver. The flathead is mainly going to be just to pop off that panel back there, and the Phillips head is going to be for that hanger, the coat hanger, and the, here I'll show you this, these holes in the panel back here. And the T50 is to remove the bottom and top seat belt bolts. So I'm gonna start working on that now. And I figured I'd show y'all just how to pop this off without breaking it. Let's see if I can get a closer pick. Ah, you can't. Okay. Let me take it off for y'all and then I'll show y'all how it looks. I'm gonna try and do this one-handed, but this is how it looks. You have to pop that tab off. And the way I did it, see how it clips back in? Is I put my screwdriver from the back, or my flathead from the back. Then press down. I just press down on it, and it pops off. So for this part, what you can do, so there's two clips that go in this way, and then on top that go down, that pop in. So it's actually kind of tight. I'm just gonna get my finger under there, pull out this way towards you. Once you pull out towards you, you can hit the bottom of it to hit it up. Yeah, should be good. Alright, hopefully y'all can see me. Alright, so after I took out the 3 Phillips head screws here and the 1 Phillips head screw for the coat hanger, there's these clips here and here. I think there's 2 of them. I want to say there's 2 of them, but you want to pull out this way. So and there should be more clips, yeah, actually on this area, and an alignment pin. Okay, and it's all loose there. Kind of want to swing the bottom out, and then it'll slide right out. Another thing to note really quickly is this. You need to at least loosen up the last 2 towards the end. That way you can lift it up, because this panel sits underneath this trim piece. So that needs to be loose. I should have mentioned that first, but now I need to take these Phillips head screws out. And I actually can't really remember how to take this one out, so I'm gonna have to kind of wing it here. So let me go ahead and try and figure that out first. Another thing too, if you still have the OEM equipment, so this is the jack. I want to say this is a 5.5 millimeter socket. I just use vice grips, but I remember having to take it off with that kind of socket. And it just unscrews completely from here. So that top piece, you would just unscrew it and it should all come out as one unit. So that's for if you're going to do the passenger side now, because that will be blocking you if you were trying to pull out this panel, because this has to swing out that way. So quick update. If y'all didn't know, I don't know how to remove glass, obviously, as you can see. So what I did was I cut the cab, a piece of the cab off of the truck that had the glass in it. So the guy I got it from, it was a part out truck. He was actually a pretty cool guy. Totally cool with it. He even helped me like cut it all up with the Sawzall I brought. So yeah, pretty cool guy. But right now I'm trying to get it cleaned, at least the window tracks, while I can, because when I have the guy take it out, I want it to be clean already and installed. That way I can just not worry about it and just, you know, not have to clean it and all that crap. I'd rather just enjoy it as soon as I get it put in. So that's just a quick update right now. And also, these things aren't opening and closing real smooth, so that sucks. I gotta clean out the window track, but I'm excited, y'all. This thing is huge. Look how big it is. So yeah, I'm gonna keep working on this. So I got it all cleaned up. I got it sliding a lot smoother than it was. Here, I'll show y'all. So I gotta lift on this side, goes around, hold this down. You can still hear it has like stuff in it, but I mean, it wasn't even budging open whenever I started, so this is a lot better. So yeah, got this one all cleaned up. I got the tracks as cleaned as much as I could. So you close it. Yeah. Just gonna leave it here until Wednesday when I gotta take it to the guy. Got it installed. It's actually been like a week or two since that installed. I currently got the Rona, but as you can see, this is how wide it is. It's freaking huge, like I was showing you. Still a little hard to close it. Super easy. Definitely happy with it, because especially when I go cruising and this thing is open, I'll put a demo of how it sounds, but the bass sounds way better. But yeah, 10 out of 10. If y'all ever thinking about getting a 3-piece window in any kind of truck, a cat eye, the Titan window, any kind of window, especially in like a single cab, 10 out of 10 recommend. Y'all need to get this done. So that's gonna wrap up this video for the 3-piece. This is how I would usually close it. One from that side, then push it from this side. Worth it. Like I said earlier, I got the Rona. So it is January 5th today, and my 2 weeks will be, my 2 weeks that I'm able to go back to society would be January 11th or 12th. I can't remember, but I'm just gonna say the 12th just to be safe. But yeah, stay tuned. I got more stuff coming for this truck. Y'all probably saw whenever I showed the 3-piece showing inside the interior that the dash, I put my new dashboard in because I didn't have anything to do during this whole Rona thing. I didn't make a video on it because it's a pain in the butt to do, and it took me total probably like 8 hours or 9 hours. And it's just one of those things I just wanted to do, and like you can't mess this up because you will never find another dash this color, and if you do, be ready to pay up. And I just needed to like be in my zone, totally focused. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. I'm not really sure what more I would have for this truck. I do have that grill still, so I could start prepping that one for paint so I can get it painted to get this 454 look going, besides just the mirrors. So we'll see what we do there. But right now, I'm probably gonna have to come up with something to do because I need to keep making this content. So stay tuned for the next one.